in steel bar production. Quenching and tempering define the strength and toughness of the material. Yuantuo's bar heat treatment line provides stable heating, quenching, and tempering for carbon and alloy steels. Trusted by global automotive, machinery, and steel producers. Induction coils heat each bar rapidly and evenly, while infrared sensors and PLC control maintain precise temperature monitoring. After heating, bars are spray-cooled to form a hardened surface, then tempered to release stress, balancing strength and ductility. Fully automated from feeding to discharge. Modular design and high power factor reduce energy use and simplify maintenance. Proven in multiple client plants, stable operation, consistent hardness, and reliable temperature control. Yuantuo Induction, delivering dependable heat treatment solutions for global steel production.